Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart grill. First, ensure your grill is on a stable, non-combustible surface, at least 10 feet away from your home or any structures. Before lighting, always check your propane tank connection for leaks with a simple soapy water test, looking for bubbles. Having a fire extinguisher nearby is always a smart safety precaution, giving you peace of mind while cooking. With safety checks complete, it is time to preheat your grill. Open the lid, slowly open your propane tank valve, then turn on one burner to ignite. Once lit, turn on your other burners. Close the lid and let the grill preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes, aiming for an internal temperature between 400 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking and prevents food from sticking, giving you perfectly seared results. Now for the actual grilling. Place items needing a good sear, like steaks or burgers, directly over a lit burner. For thicker foods like chicken breasts, move them to an indirect heat zone where one burner is off for slower, more even cooking. Turn your food only 1 or 2 times to develop that fantastic crust. Always check doneness with a meat thermometer. For instance, poultry needs to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Once your delicious meal is cooked, it is time for cleanup. First, turn off all the burners, then close your propane tank valve completely, ensuring no gas escapes. Let the grill cool down entirely, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once cool, use a stiff wire brush to scrape off any food residue from the grates. Finally, place a sturdy, weather-resistant cover over your clean grill to protect it until your next cookout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.